in order for us to build an inclusive city, we need everyone. We are acknowledging the strategic importance of Polokwane, and therefore a city that cannot be allowed to fail, because the failure of Polokwane is the failure of the province or a district and the province as a whole. We're also acknowledging that unless we grow the economy, unless we build that inclusive city, a city of opportunities, we will not be able to create the much needed jobs for all of you. We cannot continue in a manner that Polokwane has been doing things. We need to root out corruption and nepotism within the municipality. We can utilize employment opportunities to say, how do we intervene and ensure that the most vulnerable in our society, at least in their family, there is one person that is working. We must address employment equity challenges. We must have a reason why we need people with disabilities. We must have a reason why we need the youth, why we need women within our municipalities. Because unless we give hope to young people, unless we give hope to people living with disabilities, unless we give hope to women who comprises majority within our own community, within our population, we will not be able to succeed in making sure that we build and we realize that better life for all. As a municipality, we will not be seeking to destroy informal sector. Instead, we will strengthen informal sector, because there are many mothers, many fathers who have never worked in a formal sector, but they were able to take their children to universities merely because they are able to cook somewhere where they are rija, kadi lunch. The question is, how do we make sure that those people adhere to environmental management issues, and also they continue to make sure where they are working, they clean, because we cannot have a city that is smelling very bad. We're a unique city, a city with the biggest churches in Africa, the Zion Christian Church and the St. Agnes Zion Christian Church. A city with wealth of religious community, a city of peace. Unless we build on that, a city of heroes and heroines, a city of warrior kings and chiefs. Unless we base our development on the people, because after all, development must always be about the people. Unless we build on what we have, and what we have is the diverse society and residents of Polokwane, we will not be able to achieve what we intend to achieve. That is why we see you as important partners, that if we collaborate, if we work together, we can achieve more.